Good morning to all. Welcome to Max Online Classes. Actually, we are dealing with the second chapter, numbers and sequences, especially geometric progression or geometric sequence. Exercise 2.7 problems we are solving. Okay. Now, exercise 2.7, question number 3. You know that the general term of geometric sequence, it is very important. Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. Okay, so using this concept we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so given in a GP, the terms of the GP are 729, 243, 81 and so on. They are asking to find the seventh term of the geometric progression. Okay, so T7 we are going to find. T7 can be written as a r power 7 minus 1. Using this concept, a r power, instead of n I replaced 7. 7 minus 1 gives 6. So T7 can be written as a r power 6. Okay, so first we are going to find a and r. You know that a is the first term of the geometric progression and r is the common ratio. Okay, so what is a? First term, a is equal to 729 and r is equal to, you know how to find r? It is a ratio of second term and first term. What is second term? 243 by first term is 729. If you have 3-digit numbers, better you can find their prime factors. If 1 by 5, 1 by 2 or 2 by 10, we can easily simplify them. Okay, if you have 3-digit numbers, you can find their prime factors. So first 243. So definitely it will be divisible by 3. How? 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. If sum of the digits is equal to multiple of 3 means it can be divisible by 3. So I am going to divide by 3 table. So 8 times 24 and 1 times. You know that it is also divisible by 3. So 3 means 27. Again 3, 9, 3, 3. Okay, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 729. The factors, prime factors of 729. It is also divisible by 3. So 3 table means how many times here? 2 times. 6. It leaves remainder 1. So 12 means 4 times. Again 3 times. Okay, so 3 into 243. This 243 already we explained. It means we expanded that 243. 243 is equal to 3 power 5. So plus 1. It means 3 power 6. So 1. How many times? 6 times we have to write. So this 5 times. This 5 times will be cancelled. So finally you got the answer 1 by 3. What is it? It is equal to r. So r is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So now we can find a T7. So T7 is equal to a r power 6. What is a? That is 729 into r. What is r? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole power 6. This can be written as 729 into 1 power anything is 1, you know that. 1 power 6 means 1. But this 3 power 6 can be written as 729. Already we expanded that. You know that 3 power 6 is equal to this one 243 means 3 power 5 and one more time 3 power 6. So instead of 3 power 6 I replaced 729. This 729, this 729 will be cancelled. So what do we get? 1. What is it? It is term 7. So term 7 of this geometric progression is 1. Next question number 4, the same exercise 2.7. Here 3 consecutive terms of a GP are given. Here one unknown is given, that is x. So we are going to find that unknown. What is the value of x? Okay, and they said clearly they are in GP. If they are in GP means their common ratio must be same. Common ratio in the sense if you take this as first term, this is second term, this is third term, means the ratio of 1 and 2 be or 1. and ratio of 2 and 3 is R2. They must be same. They must be same. Okay. So x plus 12, R1 can be written as x plus 12 by x plus 6. I hope you understand this. It means T2 divided by T1, which is equal to R2. It means ratio of third term and second term. So x plus 15 by x plus 12. Okay. Now we have equations, and in equation both sides we have fractions. So you know that cross multiplication method. It is very easy. This one multiplied by x plus 12. X plus 12 into x plus 12, which is equal to this one, x plus 15 into x plus 6. Okay. Actually it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b, which is equal to a plus b whole square, or a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Instead of a, x is given, instead of b, 12 is given. So you just replace them. So x square plus 12 square is equal to 144 plus 2 into what is a, x, and b is 12. After simplification we get x square plus 144 plus 2 into 12, 24x. Okay. So expansion of this one is x square plus 144 plus 24x, which is equal to, here multiplying binomial by a binomial. First term, here first term. First term, here second term. X into x, x square. X into 6, 6x. Next, second term, first term, second term, second term. 15 into x, 15x plus 15 into 6, 90. Okay. So now simplify them. X square left hand side and right hand side with the same sign means we can cancel them. You know that. And next, taking x variable left hand side and the constant term right hand side. So what shall we do here? Here 24x is there, and right hand side 15x plus 6x, which is equal to 21x. If you take left hand side, it becomes minus 21x, which is equal to 90 minus 144. So 24x minus 21x, you know that they are like terms, so we can simplify. 24 minus 21 gives 3. 3x is equal to 90 minus 144. So we get minus 54. You can cancel them. One time 18 times. So x is equal to minus 18. So the value of x is equal to minus 18. Okay, next question, question number 5, first subdivision. This is a GP given clearly, and this is a last term. It means Tn of the GP. They asked to find how many terms are in the GP. It means number of terms. You know that this is first term, second term, third term, like that. How many terms it contains, and the last term is 8192. Okay, so this is Tn or last term L. So Tn is equal to 8192. I am going to find the value of n, and you know that a first term is equal to 4 as well as r is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So now you know that a value and r value. You just replace here and you can get the unknown n. So what is Tn? Tn formula a r power n minus 1, which is equal to 8192. Okay, so a value is 4 and r value is 2, whole power n minus 1 is equal to 8192. I am going to find the prime factors of 8192. Okay, so it can be divisible by 2. First we divide by 2 table. 4 times does not adequates, therefore 0, and here 19 means 9 times 18 and 6 times. Again 2 table, how many times? 2 times, 0 times, 4 times, 8 times. Again 2 table, 1 time, 0 time, 2 time, 4 time, 1024, and try to keep it in your mind, this 1024 which is equal to 2 power 10. 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. So how more 2 are there? 3 times. So this 8192 can be written as 2 power 10 plus 3. So 13. So 2 power 13 is equal to 8192. So I am going to replace this. Base is 2 and power is 13. Okay, right. And this 4 can be written as 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power 13 divided by 2 power 2. This 4 it is in left hand side. If I take right hand side, actually it is in multiplication. If you bring it right hand side, it becomes division. Okay, so 4 or 2 square. 4 or 2 square. So now simplify them. 2 power 13 minus 2. What I did here, you know that a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. You have learned this law of exponents. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So that 2 power 13 divided by 2 power 2. Next bases are same. So 13 minus 2. What do we get? 2 power 13 minus 2 gives 11. So which is equal to 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. So that, see, both sides we have a equation. Both sides bases are same. Bases are same. So we can equate their powers. So powers must be same. That is the concept. So 2 power n minus 1, here 2 power 11. 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power 11. Bases are same, so we can equate their powers. So n minus 1 is equal to 11. So what is n? This minus 1 becomes plus 1. So already 11 is there. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So how many terms are there? There are 12 terms, and the 12th term is 8192. Question number 5, second subdivision. First subdivision you have learnt. I hope you all understand. The same concept we are going to apply here. So this is the last term. It means nth term of the GP. They are asking to find how many terms it contains. Okay, so that Tn, which is equal to 1 by 2187. Okay, and first term of the GP, A is equal to 1 by 3. And you know how to find common ratio R. This is the ratio of second term and first term. So 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. I told you clearly. Next, if you cancel them, you can get R is equal to 1 by 3. So now we know that the first term and common ratio of the GP. Okay, here I am going to find the unknown n. Okay, so you know that Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. If you replace Tn equal to a r power n minus 1, we get 1 by 2187. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 1 by 3, as well as R is also 1 by 3 power n minus 1. And now I am going to find the prime factor of 2187. Okay, so last problem we did like this, 2187, and the sum of the digits is equal to multiple of 3. So it must be divisible by 3. So how many times? 7. Here 2 times 6, remaining 2, 729. And you know that this is equal to 3 power 6. We did already. So that 729 is equal to 3 power 6. Therefore this 2187 can be written as 3 power 6 into 3 power 1, which is equal to 3 power 7. Okay, so now 1 by 2187 can be written as 3 power 7. Okay, so next 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1, which is equal to, I am going to write it as 1 by 3 whole power 7. Okay, 1 by anything is 1, you know that. So that I can write this as 1 by 3 whole power 7. And this 1 by 3, it is in left hand side, as well as it is multiplied by this number. If you bring right hand side, it becomes divide. So what do we get? This 1 by 3, reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Okay, so that if you cancel this and this, so next step we can write it. So here one time cancel, so we'll get 1 by 3 power 6. 1 by 3 power 6. So in left hand side we have 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Right hand side, this 1 by 3 power 6 can be written as 1 by 3 whole power 6. Both sides we have the same, it means the same base. So we can equate their powers. So n minus 1 is equal to 6. If you take this right hand side, n equal to 6 plus 1 7. So the GP contains 7 terms, and this is the 7th term of the GP. Actually we are solving exercise problems alone. You can take example problems, textbook given, okay. So you can solve example problems, you can get more idea about the problem and how do you solve that, okay. In next class we will see exercise 2.7 from question number 6, okay. Thank you.